Alright, back out here at Alafia State Park, Alafia River State Park. He's got the campfire roaring here. That's a good looking fire if I do say so myself. It is a good looking fire right there. Hey Jim, this is for you. Guess what I did? Alright? I took all this wood and you see how I stacked it? Okay? Crisscrossed. When I first got here today, I pre-soaked it with this stuff 4 times. Doused it 4 times. All I had to do was come out here and light it with a match. So, don't ever bash my juicing again. I'm kidding. That's not a bad looking fire though, is it? So anytime you want me to make sure, or make a fire for you guys, just let me know. I'll make sure and I'll get it done for you. No newspaper required.